Here's everything you need to know about this pool leaf vacuum. So underneath is a suction, a fan that pulls the leaves up and it blows into this mesh bag here where you can collect them. Putting it together was quite easy. The handle goes in here. It has a telescoping pole which is clicks into place, super easy. To charge, you can see I'm charging right now. This little cord plugs into there. And then it's always important to put the waterproof cap back on. And this is the power button. It's a pretty simple device. Now I'm going to take it to the pool and show you how it works. I'm putting the vacuum to the test. So first I'm going to turn it on and you can see the blade start to turn. And I put it down to the bottom of the pool and the mesh net is inflated. And look at that. It scoops up that leaf, no problem. And it's easy to move around on the bottom of the pool floor. The wheels on the bottom work so well. Now, as you can see, I don't have a ton of leaves this time of year. There are times of the year when the bougainvillea from my neighbor just fills up my pool. But right now, it's not so bad. But this thing works so well. It's much easier than trying to use the skimmer. And I dig it. I highly recommend this pool vacuum.